Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about if you are unable to remove your subscription and payment method for any reason on Play Store. So watch this video until the end. First of all, open Play Store and now click on profile icon and payments and subscription, and here is click on subscription. You can see I have active subscription. Now how can I remove? First of all, go back from here and payment method. You can see you don't have any kind of for removing the payment method, so click on more payment setting and here is now click on three line and subscription and services, click on it, and here is available active subscription showing here. Now simply click on manage, and here is transactions detail is here, and scroll down and here subscription status, simply manage subscription you can see appears on screen. And now here's click on this app and scroll down, click on cancel subscription and select any reason why you are cancel your subscription, cancel subscription again, and your subscription has been cancelled. Now guys, you can remove your payment method. Go back and again go back, click on profile icon again, payment and subscription, payment method, now more payment setting, and here's now you can remove the payment method after cancel the subscription by this method. So guys, in my case I want to not delete payment method because I am giving information for my video. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.